Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and hide orders on Amazon. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, simply go ahead, first of all access your Amazon on your website, web browser, type in amazon.com and get into the official website and simply sign in as well. Once you have done so, all you have to do is tap on your profile icon on top and tap on this your orders beside see all option. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to see this kind of interface. All you have to do afterward is tap on this three dot icon on top of your browser and tap on this desktop site. So this will simply open up the desktop version of the site. All you have to do is afterwards simply come over here in the orders section. You will be able to find your orders. Currently I do not have any, that's why I have the empty, it's empty over here. But if you do, you will be able to access your order, and once you tap on this same kind of drop down icon beside it, you will be able to see this option of archive order. All you have to do is tap on the archive order and your order will be archived from over here. And again, if you would like to re-access it, all you have to do is again access it, your orders, tap on this simple icon on beside and tap on archive. That way you will be able to unarchive the particular order of yours and you're good to go. So this is basically the way for you to hide an order on Amazon. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.